Next evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine. Fine.
Oh, great.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, beta.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you something.
Anji, beta.
Ma'am, that feel, felt, and felt, how are they weak verbs?
Feel, felt, and felt. Because,
Yes, ma'am.
child, there is no change in the voice of vowels. Usually, the strong verbs are those verbs when we change the vowels, like bring, brought, these
Okay, ma'am. So
kinds.
the vowel sound is
When
changed.
vowel sound is changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So guess this first word. It starts with letter C. It starts with letter C.
Ma'am, what is the last letter?
Last letter is T. Anika, very good. Very commonly used. Niyati, Namit, very good. Vishrut, very good. Just C, I have kept only one C. So remove one C. Vidhi, very good. Falak, very good. Sarthak, seems it's a very easy word. Many of you are coming out correctly. Vishrut, very good. Sarthak, these students are entitled for 2 points. It's combat. Combat means to fight against. Now frame a sentence. Videsh, very good. Frame a sentence.
Ma'am, I can't understand the meaning of this.
Meaning is basically to fight, to take an action to reduce or prevent something bad. A solid combat between two friends, or how if it can be other way round, like, you know, all the people try to combat. In the movie, yes, the karate player, very good. Anika, correct. Namit,
Ma'am, is Palak correct?
Falag, in the movie, she combated to save her.
Ma'am, is there points for
Okay,
this
correct.
sentence?
1 point, 1 point.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Yeah, Niyati, correct.
Ma'am, Vishrut.
Yes, the doctors are trying to combat coronavirus. This is very good, excellent.
Ma'am,
The
mine is correct.
doctors. Yeah, Niyati, correct.
Ma'am, Vishrut.
Vishrut, I didn't see your
Ma'am, the word
answers.
means
Vishrut,
to
yes.
fight
Yeah, kind of.
or to do something to prevent bad.
To prevent, are trying to combat the virus. Now guess the next word. Namit. It starts with letter H and ends with S. Anika, Trisha, Falak. Falak spellings. I've kept only Niyati correct. Falak, you will get 1 point. Vidhi correct. It's very hilarious. That's basically, which is very funny. The movie was hilarious. Yes, Anika, very good. Aniyati, correct. Namit, very good, excellent. Very good, Falak. Yes, Videsh, correct. Yes. Vishru, check the word. It's hilarious. H-E-L-I, hilarious, in fact. The correct pronunciation is this. H-I-L-A-R-I-O-U-S. Videsh, very good.
Ma'am, is my sentence correct?
Trisha, yes, correct. Now, the movie. Is it okay? Sarthak, very good. 1 point. Vishrut gave a very nice sentence. He's like, I'm hilarious. Hanji beta. Yeah.
Ma'am, selected few students to for introduction and rules for subject verb agreement.
Yes, yes. 15 minutes introduction of subject verb agreement. I have selected few students. Can you tell me the names? I think it was Niyati, Falak, Trisha, and there was who all were there?
Ma'am, me, Niyati, Falak, and Anika.
Okay.
Vansh
Vansh was
was also.
also there. Vansh, Niyati, Falak, and Anika. Yes. So who wants to start?
Ma'am, me.
Excuse me, ma'am, I haven't attended last class, so I don't know. I had not participated. I don't know.
Who? Vansh?
Ma'am, Anika.
Anika, okay, she was not there. That's okay. Anika, but you were there in the last class, Anika. I just said that we will have, there should be someone who can give an introduction about subject verb agreement, just a kind of a recapitulation.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I think so yesterday only you said.
Yesterday only I
Ma'am,
said.
you said
Beta.
it yesterday only.
Trisha is saying, can I start? Can I start? Trisha, need not to write one message 3 times, but yes, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Subject verb agreement. A verb should agree with its subject and number and person.
Do you think I should make you a presenter if you want to, but you cannot write anything, right? Okay, generally. Yeah.
Okay. A verb should agree with its subject and number and person. In other words, a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Like John walks. John is a singular noun and it takes singular verb. And the next sentence is car drive. Cars is a plural noun and drive is a plural verb. So let's talk about some few rules of subject verb agreement. First, if two or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by and, a plural verb is to be used. For example, Ram and Shyam are friends. Honesty and bravery are good. Their car and house have been sold to my friends. But sometimes the two singular nouns joined by and suggest a singular person, thing, or idea. Then the verb use should be singular. A great poet and Aeschylus has died. The same person is being referred to. Second is a singular noun joined to another singular or plural noun by with, along with, as well as takes a singular verb. Like, for example, she along with her friends is joining us shortly. The bus with all its passengers seems to be wearying of the road. Mala, as well as her sisters, is interested in buying these properties. Then the third rule is a singular noun joined to another singular noun by or nor takes a singular verb and the verb agrees with the noun closer to it. For example, they or their sister has contacted the manager. Neither Shraddha nor I am going to help her. Either you or he has broken the glass. If one of the nouns joined by or nor is plural, the verb used should be plural and the plural noun should be kept closer to the verb. Either you or your assistants have to be blamed for this failure. Neither Meera nor her parents were called to attend it.
Yes, Trisha, good.
Fourth rule
Thank you.
is
May I interrupt in between? There were approximately four rules explained or mentioned by Trisha. Is there anyone else who would like to say something, or can anyone
Yes,
say
ma'am.
any one rule which is mentioned by Trisha? If you've understood, Vishruth, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Vishruth,
Yes, ma'am.
what can you mention any one rule mentioned by Trisha?
मैम 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 मुझे उसमें से थोड़ा सा मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
No. First thing is, you know this rule, when we have a singular subject, we use plural verb or singular verb. When we have a plural subject, we use plural verb. And you all know how do we make a noun singular to plural? By adding s. But how do we make a verb plural to singular? By adding s. It's opposite. Plural to singular, we add s. But when we have singular, in case of subject, it's the opposite. To plural, it is adding s. Clear? Now she took 2-3 rules. In fact, major rules she's covered. First rule that she talked about was when we use and, like John and Ram. These are two individual items. So when they are joined using and, then they both become plural. On an average, it becomes plural noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Plural noun, and that is why we would be using plural what? Plural verb with it. And plural verb would be are or have.
Okay, ma'am.
Next important concept she used was use of as well as. As well as. Can anyone explain as well as? As well as, along with, together with. Can anyone? I gave 2-3 students this duty. Niyati, Vansh, Falak. Has anyone? Niyati?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Falak?
Ma'am, can I say Anika?
Yeah, Anika?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm just guessing. Ma'am, along with, together with, when we use this, like the president along with his wife uh, organized a grand celebration. So, ma'am, in this we will use a singular verb. It does not matter if there are two. Like if we have together with, so there is the president and his wife, but there is together with. So we will use singular verb.
Very good. See this sentence. See this sentence, children. What is happening in this sentence? We have the president along with his wife. So when we have words like along with, together with, as well as, together with, as well as, what are we going to do? In this scenario, we will ignore whatever is attached to them. We will only take into account this first subject, and whatever this first subject is, we are going to use verb accordingly. If the first subject is singular, we will be using singular verb. If the first subject is plural, we would be using plural verb. I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak,
Yes,
Vishrut,
Yes, ma'am.
Desh, Anika, Falak,
Yes, ma'am.
Niyati.
Oh, ma'am. Yes,
Who's not clear?
Vishrut.
Who is not clear?
Ma'am, Vishrut.
Vishrut, what is not clear, beta?
मैम क्या आपने उसको काटा क्यों?
बेटा इसलिए काटा कि this is not required. This is going to, we will work according to this rule wherein जो along with से पहले जितना भी दिया हुआ है, we are going to work according to this subject. This is of no use. We will not consider that. We will only consider the president. The president is singular, so we would be using singular.
Ma'am, we
If you
will
say-
only consider the subject. That means the president.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is neither nor. Somebody mentioned about, she mentioned about neither nor also. What was that she mentioned? Suppose neither the president nor his wife is coming.
Ma'am, can I tell this?
This is, please, who's this?
Niyati. Ma'am,
Yeah.
neither nor and either or always take the singular verb.
Not always, beta. It is neither nor, either or takes the verb that is closest to the subject. Neither
Okay, ma'am.
the president nor his wife is coming to attend the meeting. But on the other hand, if it would have been neither the president nor his children, then what would have been? Then,
Are coming.
yes. Why? Neither the president nor his children. In this case, what is going to be the correct? His children. Children क्या हो गए? Plural. And the second subject, इस वाले केस में हमने first subject को refer किया. अब छोटी सी बात सोच लो. इस वाले केस में we are going to refer to second subject. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
When neither nor case, we are going to refer to second subject. And second subject is plural, so we are going to use plural. But in the along with as well as case, we are going to refer to first subject. Easiest बात बता दी मैंने. Is it okay? Anyone else who does not agree with me? Children, because when we start with tenses, this part should be very much clear with all of you. If this is not clear, we cannot proceed to tenses. Yes?
It is clear.
Sure?
Yes,
Desh, why I'm calling each child's name? Because there are few children who are speaking. So I can feel that when they are speaking, there must be queries and they'll, their queries will be answered. But those who are quiet, Vidhi, please do mention if there is any doubt. Yes, Niyati, would you like to go for other rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the words like each, everyone, no one, nobody, none. Ma'am, these words use singular verb with it. Ma'am, for
Yes.
example, each
Yeah.
of us was there in the meeting.
Yeah, very good. So when we have in the subject words like each, everybody, everyone, anybody, in this scenario, we always use singular verb. In this scenario, we always use singular verb. So each of us, we will not see यहाँ पे us है तो word आना चाहिए. This and this will agree. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. One child is saying yes, ma'am. That means other 12 students, 15 students are not clear.
Ma'am, it is
Right?
clear. Ma'am, clear.
Yeah, somebody is saying something.
Ma'am, shall I speak the next one?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the words several, many, most, few, and both. These subjects indicate anything more than one, and hence
Yeah.
we would be using plural words. Ma'am, for example, there are several students in the class.
Yes. So when we have there or here kind of a thing, in this scenario, we will not be seeing what there is speaking, what here is speaking. We will see the subject. So she's mentioning there are several people in the party, or there are several guests in the party. So several guests is plural. So we are going to use plural with it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is going to come in this blank? Is or are?
Ma'am, is.
Is. Ma'am, is.
Namit, correct?
Ma'am, also there are some words like mathematics, physics, economics, and news. Ma'am, though they end with letter S, but they refer only one subject, so singular verb is used with them. Ma'am, for example, mathematics is an interesting subject.
Very good, very good. So words like mathematics, economics, or physics, news, these words have S attached, but they are singular in meaning. They are singular in meaning. Singular in meanings मतलब ये एक हैं. They are one. So we would be using singular subject with it. Okay?
Ma'am, we use plural subjects.
Like?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that we use plural verbs with all also.
Yes, all. With all. All of us were laughing.
Okay, ma'am.
All matlab more than one. All of them.
Okay, ma'am.
But this all can be used, suppose if it is a single thing. All the pizza, but all the pizzas honge, so then definitely it is going to be plural. But all the pizza was finished. All the pizza matlab pizza is one.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Yes, with Ganges we use singular verb because Ganges is one river. Okay. One
Yes, ma'am.
singular. Children, anyone, any other rule that we have missed out?
Ma'am, I wanted to say 2 more rules.
Okay. Little
Ma'am,
louder so that others are able to understand.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we always use singular verbs with currency and collective nouns.
Okay.
Like, ma'am, the
दोबारा
herd,
से, yeah.
like the herd was going through the road.
Yeah.
And ma'am, it is 10 rupees note was found.
Very good. So will all the collective nouns like class, team, we always use singular verb. Yes, Anika, you've raised your hand. What is it that you've raised your hand?
Ma'am, I want to tell a rule.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like bread and butter, although there is and in between, but it is a same idea or a meal. So we will use a singular subject with it.
Yes, very good. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast because we are referring to breakfast and breakfast is singular. So we would be using singular with it. Though they are two different things, but they refer to one idea. And that one idea is breakfast. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was also that when we change collective nouns into plural form, then we use plural verbs.
Yeah, very good.
Like, ma'am, the classes were going on.
Hmm.
And ma'am, 2 10 rupees notes were found.
Yes, very good. So
And
it's like with money, time, and distance, we always use singular verb. With money, time, and distance,
Ma'am, but with money, we sometimes use plural verbs.
sorry, I didn't get it, beta.
Ma'am, I was saying that with money, we sometimes use plural verbs.
Like
Ma'am, 2 10 rupees notes
notes,
were
yes,
found.
but it becomes 210. 2 is basically the number, because of that we are using the plural. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, with money, time, and distance, we always put a singular verb or
Yes, yes, always, always. 5 kilometers is a long distance. We will not say 5 kilometers are a long distance.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got it? This was a small recapitulation of subject verb agreement. If you are still not clear, I can give 10 more minutes, but I don't want any child proceeding without any clarity, with some doubt. Tell me, is it still not clear? I can restart it. I can, explain it to you again, again. But children, if you are not clear, we cannot proceed further to tenses. Tell me,
Ma'am, it's clear.
is it clear, all of you?
Yes,
Sure?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is clear.
We will be using was just now. 1 kilometers. What is 1 kilometers?
Ma'am,
Beta,
5 kilometers.
yes, 5 kilometers was a long distance. Why? Because the subject here is distance, long distance. That is why we are using singular verb.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, if the subject
Clear?
was 1 kilometers, then we would use were.
नहीं है नहीं 1 kilometers तो sentence structure ही wrong है बेटा. The sentence structure is wrong in this 1 kilometers.
Okay, ma'am.
Trisha, Niyati, Namit, Kabir, Videsh, Vansh, Vishrut,
Ma'am, it is clear.
Sean.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do that yesterday's. Somebody has written. Yesterday's, the sentence formation that we were doing. A small quiz. V1 is which form of verb, V2 is which form of verb, and V3 is which form of verb. Quickly,
Ma'am,
what is V1?
ma'am, V1 is the present one.
Beta, no.
Ma'am,
Some
base.
have raised their hands and some are speaking. Anika.
Base.
Yes, Anika, V1.
Ma'am, I'm not saying anything. I guess.
Anika, you've raised your hand, Bitu. That is why.
Ma'am, I
Palak.
Can I? Ma'am, can I?
Only
Ma'am,
those
can
who
I?
have raised, just a second, quiet. Those who have raised hands, only they will speak. Okay, and I will say, Niyati, what is
Yes,
V1?
ma'am. Ma'am, V1 is present tense.
Present
V2
tense
is
ni beta. Simple.
simple present.
It's a base form. We never say it's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
present tense. It's a base form.
Ma'am, and V2 is the past form and V3 is the past participle.
Very good. It's the base form. Base form. Then past form. And then past participle form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the base form is ring, R-I-N-G. Some problem in my phone. This base form is ring, R-I-N-G. What is the past form and V3 form? Namit, correct. Falak, no. Namit, you will get 1 point. Niyati, you will also get 1 point. It's ring, rang,
Ma'am, is
rung.
it now?
So these are the forms. Now ring, rang, rung. Is it a weak verb or a strong verb?
Ma'am, strong.
Quickly.
Ma'am,
It's a strong verb. Why is it a strong verb? Namit,
Ma'am,
Falak, very
All
good.
are different, ma'am.
Because the
Sound and
words
vowel.
formed are different, we have used different vowel sound. Okay, Niyati, very good. Now, with these verbs, ring, rang, rung, who is going to tell me what is, you will write it in the chat box, what is the rule of simple present tense that we did yesterday? Simple present tense that we did yesterday.
But
It's
ma'am, I
not-
can't hear you.
First of all, Trisha, I'm asking rule. What is a rule?
Ma'am, may I tell Falak?
No, you have to write it in the chat box, child. Perfect, Niyati. 1 point. Falak, you will get half point because you missed out the most important part. It's S.
Can you wait?
Yeah.
Ma'am, am I correct now?
Now it is correct, Falak. But
ma'am,
still you will get half point only, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji, beta.
Ma'am, I joined now. So, what were you teaching?
Vansh, we had just finished the recapitulation of subject verb agreement rules, and we are now revising the verb forms and the rule for simple present tense. Can you tell me what is the rule of simple present tense?
Ma'am, is my correct, Anika?
Rule. सिंपल सा रूल है, इतना बड़ा लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Ma'am, it's my
It's S plus V1 plus S or yes plus object. Now I'm going to add one thing. When is simple present tense used? When is simple present tense used? First is it describes.
Ma'am, when an action is happening.
Yes, everyday actions.
Ma'am,
Everyday matlab daily routine.
Ma'am, everyday action.
Ma'am, regular.
Yes, suppose
Actions that happen
regular
regularly.
action. Very good. Excellent. Quite. The children go to school every day. Now it is very rarely happening, not even happening. But yes, when we will be, when things would be normal, we would be doing this. The children go
we
to
can write that children do online classes.
classes every day, Monday to Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the
Next,
same rule is applied for past and present.
no.
Past and future.
Nah, we'll let you know. Next is when we state the universal truth. You know, state facts or universal truth. What is a fact? The fact is the earth revolves around the sun. It can never change. So this is the case of simple present tense. The earth revolves around the sun. That means, can you see in this case what is the verb? Rotates bhi hai, theek hai, on its axis. The verb is revolve. But what did we do? We use the SES form of the verb. The children is what? Plural. So goes ki badle we used go.
But ma'am, mouth is singular, so we add yes.
Yes, very good. Next is some habits. Third is it describes.
Ma'am, daily habits of a person.
Yes, habits of a person. She studies online every एक habit है.
Ma'am, this is part of our everyday
She
routine.
studies every day. Yes, she eats, milk, biscuits every day. She drinks milk every day. So उसका एक habit है जो daily routine में वो habit change नहीं हो सकता. Okay. So simple present tense is used in these three categories: everyday actions, universal truths, and describing someone's habit. Now, what is the rule of simple past tense? Who's going to tell me?
Ma'am, can we write in the chat box?
No, you have to write in the chat box only. Yesterday only we did.
Mom, can you please repeat what we have to do?
Sorry?
Mom, can you please repeat, ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to give me the rule of simple past tense.
Ma'am, is Falak correct?
Ma'am, is Niyati
Phala correct, Niyati correct. Rule of simple past tense.
Ma'am, we'll get a point for it.
Vishrut, it's correct. Others? Yes, those who are giving answers to writing in the chat box, they will get 1 point. Trisha, write a complete. Trisha, write complete rule, beta. Subject. Was word. There is no was word, Trisha. Yesterday only we've done V2 plus object. Now, tell me, when do we use? Okay, Anika, no shoes. When do we use? Just see, Anika, you can see now. When do we use simple past? We use simple past to describe the actions. Yes, that happened in the that took place in the past. Yes, yesterday. Describe actions that took place in the past. Like
मैम आपने दैट के बाद क्या लिखा है?
took
Okay, ma'am.
took place in the past.
Ma'am,
We
the
what?
simple past tense also tells about daily habits.
No. How will it tell you about daily habit? When we watch
Like, ma'am,
the
I
movie.
used to.
Used to is last night. Used to is a habit which you used to do, but now you are not doing it. So yeah, these words
Yes,
like
ma'am.
last night, yesterday, they actually indicate that the action has done in the past. We
Like, ma'am, I went to my
went to the
school
mall.
2 years back.
Yes. So this indicates 2 years back that the sentence is in. We went to the mall yesterday. So this went and yesterday talks about that something has happened in the past. Okay.
Yes,
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Next is simple future. Tell me about simple future. Beta, verb is beta. Trisha,
Ma'am, it tells about things that
we would
will
be
happen
doing.
in the future.
Please write it in the chat box, the exact rule.
Ma'am, is Niyati right?
Niyati and Falak correct.
Ma'am, we have to tell the rule in this.
First rule, simple future tense, first rule. विश्रुत, वेरी गुड. विल एंड शैल, वी नहीं आएगा विश्रुत. V3 भी नहीं आएगा. Why V3? Just now I mentioned it's V1. Subject plus will.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, is mine correct, ma'am? Number?
Who's correct, beta?
Ma'am, number. Ma'am, is it correct?
Namit, correct. Very good, Namit.
Ma'am, is my correct now, Anika?
Anika, partially correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Trisha, you did not add shall.
Excuse me, ma'am. Screen is freezed.
Sorry,
Ma'am, your screen is
is
freezed.
my screen
No,
freeze?
ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am, it's fine.
it's moving. See,
Yes, ma'am, it's fine now. Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
plus V1 plus object.
Ma'am, what
So
is
this
the
is
difference
basically-
between will and shall?
Who is going to tell the difference between will and shall? Raise your hand. Anika, tell.
Ma'am, will is used with all the verbs and shall is used with I and we.
Will is used with all the subjects, but shall is categorically used with I and we. Shall is used with I and we. And will is used with other subjects. So what does future, what do you mean by future tense? It describes an action. It describes those actions that are going to take place in the future. Yes, Vansh, there are many students who have raised your hands. Anika, yes, bache, why? Vansh, you've raised your hand, Bitu.
Ma'am, I raised it for you have that
Huh?
between will and shall.
Okay, okay. Will be is going to come in some other rule, beta. For simple, जहाँ पे simple future, simple present, वहाँ कोई भी extra verb नहीं लगेगा. विश्रुत.
Okay, ma'am.
They will sing tomorrow in the party. The team will participate tomorrow. Clear? All the three rules. Now I'm giving you
Yes, ma'am.
7-8 sentences. You have to identify the verb and you have to tell whether it is simple present, simple past, or simple future. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
I underline the verbs and tell whether the sentence is simple present, simple past, or simple future.
Ma'am, will it contain points?
Yes, yes, of course, they will contain points.
Manna thi.
Ma'am, but we can't underline the word, so we have to write only the word.
Yes, you have to write the word. Okay. Now,
1 point
A
each.
part. 1 point each. Half point for telling the correct verb and half point for telling the. And please, how are you going to write? You're going to write A and then verb and simple present, simple past, like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what you have written after his?
Purse. Actually, the
Okay,
pen
ma'am.
is.
Ma'am, can you write SP?
Yeah, but how will you say for SP if it is simple past or simple present, beta? SPA or SP?
PR.
Anika, please mention that tense also. Otherwise, I'm not going to give you marks. नियति correct.
मैम आपने फ्रॉम की बात
नियति फलक
मैम आपने फ्रॉम की बात क्या रखा है?
इंदौर इंदौर.
मैम इज
नियति फलक अनिका correct. हाँ जी. Vansh correct.
Ma'am, we will get
Trisha, 1
One.
point. Trisha, please tell the verb also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have
You
to
have to
write like that, like if it
see
is
the answer. Suppose if it is bought, Sarthak correct. Bought, and it is simple past. So how are you going to write in your chat box? You will write A point, bought,
Ma'am, then bought slash simple past.
then slash that simple past.
Ma'am, how many points did we get for each correct answer?
1 point.
Okay.
Okay.
Half a point.
Next. Namit, your A part is correct, bache. Now work on B. Falak correct. Niyati correct. Anika, please mention the type of verb, bache. Namit correct.
Ma'am is not correct.
Vansh correct. Anika correct. Trisha correct. Trisha tense spelling bache. Vishrut, how come it is simple future? Simple future तो इतना understanding होता है, उस पे will और shall लगा होता है. Identify. Verb is goes and it is, what is it? Es लगा हुआ है. That is simple present.
Present.
Because we're talking about
So it's
regular.
Yes,
simple.
also it
present.
was regular habit.
It's a regular habit. Excellent.
And ma'am, yes is there because mother is singular.
Yes.
Ma'am, can there be two verbs in a sentence?
Okay. Huh?
Can there be two verbs in a sentence?
Yes. No. No. One, there can be two verbs in a sentence, but the verb that changes with time, that verb will be one. That tense verb will be one. Okay. Suppose if I love to play. Here, play is also a verb and love is also a verb. But when you change the subject, it will be she loves to play. To play remains same. Or if you convert it into past tense, I loved to play. So the verb that can be changed with time, that will be one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain this once again?
What? I shall write the letter after lunch.
Ma'am,
What do you want to explain?
Ma'am, can there be two verbs in a sentence?
Yes, there can be two verbs. Betu, I love to play. Now, in this scenario, love is also a verb and play is also a verb. Yes or no? Whosoever
Yes,
asked
ma'am.
just now.
Yes, ma'am.
But the verb that changes with the subject or with the time is the tense verb. इसको हम ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव की कैटेगरी में बोलते हैं. मैं इतना डिटेल में अभी नहीं बताऊंगा, नहीं तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. सो द वर्ब दैट चेंजेस विद टाइम, यानी जो टेंस वर्ब जिसकी हम आज पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ओनली वन, दैट इज लव. अब नाउ यू विल से मैम हाउ. अगर आई के बदले में शी डाल देती हूँ, so the love will change to loves.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर I को मैंने अभी I love to play is simple present. If I'll convert it into simple past, it will be I loved to play. But in
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the scenarios, to play, that verb remains same. It never changes. So the one that never changes is transitive. I don't want to talk about it because I thought I will explain it later. But yes, if somebody has a doubt, I cannot let that doubt unattended. So this is the tense verb.
Okay, ma'am. So
Tense verb means Betu that changes with time.
They love to play, then what is the
Huh?
tense verb?
Sorry?
Ma'am, if the sentence is they love to play, then what is the tense verb?
They love only, beta. आपने subject change किया. What is a tense verb that changes with time? That
Okay, ma'am.
changes with person. ये तो to play तो चाहे आप past tense में बोलो, present tense में बोलो या future में बोलो, to play will remain the same. So the tense verb is that changes with time. Don't you think we did the first rule, first meaning, first understanding of tense?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it clear, whosoever asked me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I shall write the letter after lunch. Yes, very good. Niyati, Anika, Namit, Falak, Sarthak, Vishrut, Anika, Trisha. It happens that it happens in this category child. जो सबसे लास्ट में लिखता है उसका सबसे पहले आता है मेरे पास. That is why the one writes in at first place it reaches. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, it is shall and the verb is simple future, right? The tense
Yes,
is
ma'am.
simple future. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishrut, what is the doubt? Beta, ask.
मैम की हम लोग वर्ब कैसे ढूंढते हैं सेंटेंस में मैम?
Beta, verb is that verb looking at the action verb. जो action कर रहा है. What am I doing? I shall write the letter. Write is the verb.
ओके
जो
मैम.
मैं काम कर रही हूँ, हंस रही हूँ, सो रही हूँ, खेल रही हूँ, खा रही हूँ, all these are action verbs. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's proceed further. I attended Mr. Kumar's French classes for a month.
Ma'am, your screen is freezed.
No, the screen is not freezed.
Ma'am,
No
your
child, the
Yes.
screen, wait, Bitu, the screen is not freeze. The problem is with the stylus, at times it stops working. So that is why I also, start mending my stylus. I attended Mr. Kumar's French classes for a month. Niyati, correct?
Ma'am, is my correct?
Trisha, Sarthak, Namit, Falak, Vanch,
Ma'am, is Anika's correct?
Anika, I to mentioned you were the first one. Yes, Vishrut, correct. Very good, Namit.
Ma'am, is Niyati correct?
Niyati, correct. Namit, correct.
Ma'am, is Falak correct?
Falak, correct. सब finish लग रहे हैं. The verb is will finish. Yes, Trisha, Anika, will तो हम add करते हैं. What is a verb? Will finish. Then only you've decided ना कि the future tense is going to come. So it will be will finish. Vanch, correct.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was also thinking that you will write will finish or finish.
Yes. Will though, but it's in the future form only. That has to be added.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम, आपने देख के बाद क्या लिखा है?
They sang.
What, ma'am?
Sang, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Falak, correct. Niyati, correct. Anika, correct. Namit, correct. Trisha, Vanch. Sarthak, correct. So the verb is sang and it is simple past. Vishrut, correct. It's sang, not swag.
Ma'am, today can we do the question we did yesterday, the one in which you gave the subject, the base form of verb and the object, and
Yes,
we need
okay.
to frame the sentence.
Okay. Now, next part of the sentence is when I am giving you subject, verb and object, and you have to convert it into, I'm going to tell you, convert it into simple future, then do that. Convert it into simple past, then do that. Okay? Right? Convert it
ma'am.
into simple present like this. Clear? Not all three, but I'm telling you to convert it into one particular path. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, we will get 1 point each.
Yeah, 1 point. Right? Subject is she. Verb, that is the base form, is finish. Object is her verb. In a couple of hours. Converted into simple future. Falak correct. Namit correct. Anika Khurana correct. Niyati correct. Sarthak, Trisha correct. Vidhi, please tell the answer. Vishrut,
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh, write the answer, bache.
Ma'am, I'm writing. बस थोड़ा सा रह गया है.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have written.
Vansh, very good. Vishrut, yes. Now is it clear? She will. 1 point, Sarthak. She will finish
Ma'am will work
her
in a couple
work.
of hours.
Next is subject is the show. Begin.
Ma'am, we have to convert it into simple future.
No, I'll tell you. Wait. Simple past. Falak. Trisha, spellings.
I'm sorry.
It's all in the haste. All in the haste, Ritu. Because of haste, you are doing this thing. Anika, correct. Niyati, Namit. Yes, now Trisha is correct.
मैम आपने 7 PM के बाद क्या रखा है?
Sharp. Okay. Sarthak correct. Vishrut, सिंपल पास्ट में हैज आता ही नहीं है, हैज बिगिन हो ही नहीं सकता. Simple past will say the show began. We need to use the V2 form of verb. Now convert the same sentence, same group of words into simple future. Let's see who can do. Simple future. Vidhi, this is a subject. V1 is given to you and then object. Kindly convert it into simple future tense. Vidhi.
Okay. Ma'am, can we add a word?
No. Add a word में will shall add होता है. Rest we cannot add anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am is Niti correct?
Ma'am is Namit correct?
Trisha spelling. Niyati correct. Falak correct. Namit correct. Trisha spellings बच्चे. It's system error or you are deliberately writing it.
मैम ऑटो करेक्ट हो रहा है बार-बार. I don't know why.
So beta, you need to check. Sometimes it is done autocorrect, sometimes it is not.
Ma'am, I'll get a point for this one.
Yes, of course. It's like the show will begin. Vansh correct at 7. The show. Vishrut, very good. Sarthak, excellent. Now, I am going to give you one particular sentence. Maybe it is in whichever type. What you have to do is you have to convert it into the other type that I am going to tell you. Is it okay? If suppose I give you a sentence in simple present and I tell you to convert it into simple past. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let's do that. Today you will be getting exercises on this only. Making the sentences using subject, verb, and object and then converting them. Trisha, I'm going to see, suppose the question is, I give you one sentence as, she loves.
Ma'am, this is the example.
This is an example. She loves to paint portraits. Okay. Now, this is in simple present. We all know because of loves. Now, I'm telling you to convert it into simple future. Very easy.
Ma'am, it will be she will love to paint portraits.
Easy ones.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to do all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Seems so easy. At least
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
do.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
Okay.
easy.
Yes. Vishrut is also mentioned. Yes, ma'am. Chalo, let's start. First, Kareem knows.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to write like question number 1 and then answer.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Kareem knows.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम डाउट
Yeah.
बाद में कि हमें वो हमें पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना है सिर्फ या फिर ये बताना कि ये कौन सा टाइप है.
No, you just have to change it in the type that I will tell you. I will
Okay.
write the type in the bracket.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Kareem knows how to make paper boats.
Ma'am, I just need to
Simple past.
ma'am, that we need to write whole sentence, right?
Ma'am, is my correct?
Yeah. Hold. That has to happen.
मैम हमें सिंपल पास्ट में बदलना है.
Ma'am, is
Sorry.
my correct, ma'am, Namit?
Ma'am, is my correct?
Falak correct. Namit correct. Trisha correct. Anika correct. These all are entitled for 1 point. Niyati correct.
Ma'am, it was easy. Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak correct. So it's Kareem knew how to make paper boats. Next is she, ये थोड़ा difficult है. Does not like, Sarthak correct, football match. Convert it into simple past. Bonus, this will catch 2 points if it is correct, totally correct. This additionally will get 2 points if it is completely correct. Allah, no, you will get 1 point only because it's not complete, fully correct. Anika 2 point, Namit 1, Niyati 1. Others giving 30 seconds more. Need not to write it again. No need to write. Trisha got 2 points. Yes, the correct answer. Namit, I said na. Namit नहीं तो मैंने नहीं Namit, you will get 1 point. 2 points only Trisha will get and Anika will get. Rest all nobody will get 2 points. Vidhi now will get 2 points. Very good, Vidhi. I'm clapping for you.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes more. I'm writing the answer.
Okay, waiting. She, see, very good. When you does is completed to simple past, it is did. Very good, excellent. So 1 point I'm giving. But with does or did, the verb form is always the base form.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not liked. So those who have written did not like, they have got 1 less because of this.
Ma'am, when I sent, then I realized that it should be liked, not liked.
Yes. Vansh doesn't nahi aayega, Bitu. Okay. This was the most important part. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, clear. So this fetched 2 points only to Vidhi, only to Anika, and only to Trisha.
Me.
Yeah.
It does all we all ma'am, it does we always put the base form?
Yes. With
Okay,
do, did,
Ma'am, why
does,
did
we
you put the base form?
we do, did, does, we always use the base verb. Why? Because the action has already been changed. It does not or do not or did not already आपका present, past or future tense बता रहे हैं. So this verb form cannot change.
Okay, ma'am. So
It
we
is the
only
same. Okay, beta. Correct. Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's clear.
Yes,
Clear. Okay. Now let's do dictation. Vishruth has got 9 points. Vishruth, we need to go for dictation too. First word is artificial.
2 minutes.
Okay, beta. Artificial.
No, ma'am, I got not nine points. वो मैंने गलती से बोला था.
Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat the word.
Artificial. Artificial.
ma'am, is my correct?
Vansh, Falak, Niyati, Trisha, Namit, Sarthak. ऑटो करेक्ट तो नहीं दे रहा आर्टिफिशियल.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am is Anika is correct.
या आई मेंशन विधि. इट्स आर्टिफिशियल. आर्टिफिशियल. सेकंड वर्ड इज auxiliary. Auxiliary.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Auxiliary. 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 Falak, Namit,
Ma'am, I think
Trisha,
sentences are called
Niyati.
auxiliary verbs.
Auxiliary. Yes, I told you. Falak.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 9 is correct.
Auxiliary.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that in the question, the second part, we only change the verb form. We don't change the verb.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Next word is simultaneously. Simultaneously.
Ma'am, please repeat the word.
Simultaneously. Niyati, Anika, Trisha. विश्रुत नो. फलक करेक्ट. विश्रुत दोबारा से देखो बेटा. साइमल्टेनियस. विधि करेक्ट.
Ma'am, is mine correct once?
पंच करेक्ट. पंच नहीं. पंच नो. पंच एंड विश्रुत दोनों रीचेक बचे. इट्स साइमन.
Ma'am, Simon या फिर Simon?
Simultaneously का मतलब साथ साथ. Characteristics. फलक फलक wrong. No. Niyati correct. Vishrut no. Characteristics.
Ma'am, is Anika is correct.
Ma'am, is Namit's correct.
Characteristic. Anika correct. Namit correct. Trisha correct. Rest all Niyati correct. Characteristic. एक तो मेरा ये भी चलना बन जाता है एक घंटे बाद. Characteristic. Last word is palanquin. You know what is the meaning of palanquin? Palki. Palanquin.
Palanquin.
Yeah. Palanquin.
Ma'am, is this the next word?
Yeah, it's a last word. Trisha correct. Namit correct. Falak, no.
Simultaneously full. Yeah, just right.
Simultaneously.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the word?
Characteristic. Next is palanquin. P-A. No, penguin nahi. Palin.
Ma'am, is that
Palin.
correct, Anika?
Nobody is correct. Palanquin. Only ऊपर सिर्फ नियति और त्रिशा ठीक है.
Ma'am, what you have written after you in simultaneously?
It's Palanquu.
Ma'am, can you please tell what is the meaning of simultaneously?
Sad. Ma'am,
Palin.
ma'am, you have written wrong spelling of auxiliary.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am,
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One last word.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask
Ma'am,
that what
excuse
you have
me,
written
ma'am.
after you in simultaneously.
Yeah. Huh?
Ma'am, what have
Trisha
you
is raised her hand. Trisha, yeah, beta ask.
Ma'am, I'm saying that you have written wrong spelling of auxiliary.
Beta, it's not working. AUXILIRY. Now is it okay? Yeah, tell
Ma'am,
me.
I think
Somebody else has raised hand. Falak and Namit. Yeah, ask bachche.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what have you written after you in simultaneously?
Huh? SIMILTANEOUSLY.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji beta.
Ma'am, the last word will contain mark that you are saying.
No, last word will not contain marks. The word
Okay, ma'am.
is dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction, and keep on counting your points also.
ma'am is
Trisha correct, Falak correct. Trisha is very good in spellings. लगता है कुछ और एक event कराना पड़ेगा spell test type. Sarthak wrong beta. Dissatisfaction. Vishrut correct. Dissatisfaction. Niyati correct. Niyati, you will not be getting hyphen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any point for the last?
No point for this. This is an additional.
Okay, ma'am.
Count the points, children. Falak got 20.5, Trisha 29. Trisha was very active today. Niyati 26. Anika 24.
Ma'am, how many marks will it total, ma'am?
Child, I don't know much. Vishru 23. Must be 30 and above.
question.
No, ma'am, it should be less than 30. Ma'am, because
Is it
15.
No, ma'am, it's 30.
Trisha, you did not get. There was 1 point wherein you did an error.
Ma'am, the total
There
marks
was
is 31, I guess.
31. Okay.
There were
marking is
15
31.
sentences in which one was bonus.
Yes,
so
I
it
told you
needs
you will get
16.
2 points, and in that I think Trisha, Namit, and Vidhi got one point extra. Did not Vala. Vishnu 23, very good. Anika 24. Anika initially was not able to answer. Niyati 26. 20. Videsh, how much did you score? Namit, where is your score, beta? Why Videsh so less? Didn't you answer the questions? Okay, why is it that so much of net issue, Videsh? But you are able to understand. Sarthak, very good. So Namit and Trisha are the winners. Very good, children. Today you will probably get a quiz.
Ma'am, I'm second, ma'am. I'm not the winner, ma'am. I have scored 28 and a half, not 29.
Yeah, I got it. That's why. Okay, bye, children. Take care, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Bye,
good
ma'am.
Bye,
night.
bacha.
Have a
Bye,
nice
bacha.
day,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, bache. Bye, all of you.